What's up, YouTube? So welcome back to Philly D's Garage. So today we're gonna talk about the 2008 Nissan Armada. So got her up in the building. So what's going on? I got a low beam bulb out and I got a fog light bulb out. So I think the manual calls to take this grill off and to get these headlights out, but I've never done it that way. The way I usually do is I just go through the fender well and get to the bulbs that way. So today I'll be showing you guys how to do a fog light and a low beam bulb. So what I'm gonna do is turn the wheel to that side first, so we could get the inner fender well popped out, and then we should be able to get to that fog light. But first, I'm tripping. Let me show you guys that it don't work. All right. So turn on the that's the low beams. So as y'all can see, this low beam is on right here, and this low beam is out. So both of those low beams should be on right now, and it's only one on. So let me turn on the fog lights real quick. Got a switch here. Turn on the fog lights. All right, so as you can see, you got one fog light on and one fog light off. So yeah, so let me turn these lights off before they get hot, and I'm gonna get set up right here so we can take the fender out. All right, y'all, so so I got the wheel turned in. So once you get this wheel turned in like this, you should be able to have enough space to get in here to get these bolts out, or screws. So we're gonna need a Phillips screw. So first I'm gonna grab, I can use my drill, but nah, we're gonna use this guy today, 3/8 Ingersoll electric gun. And we could use one of these guys, probably this guy. So these will work with your 3/8 drive gun, or motherfucker. Oh, let me find that. All right, got it on there. So we're gonna get these guys out with this. Make sure it's in reverse. All right, that's one. And we're taking out the fog light on this side. All right, that's two. You might not have to take this one out, but get in there, yeah. All right, so we got those three out. Make sure you don't lose them. Should be able to pull this guy out and all that dirt stuff. And there's your fog light right in there. So get some light in there real quick so you guys can see what's going on. Alright, so what you want to do is grab that light, or we can disconnect it first. Alright, there's the plug. Make sure you look at your plug, make sure there's nothing wrong with it. No corrosion, rust, or nothing like that. Alright, that looks fine. Put it to the side, and then you want to grab your fog light out. Alright, there's your housing right there. So literally just twist in there. Alright, so here's our bulb. Now I was curious of what bulb this was because I don't remember. And then it's a H11. So we go up here to the light bulb box, and let's just come up here real quick and see if we got an H11. Let me see. Yeah, H11, some stuff. All right. So this is my bulb bag. I got bulbs for the Buick. I got all types of bulbs. I used to put these bulbs in the Buick. They're LED bulbs, but they would mess up because I think the resistance or something wasn't right. So like they would either, sometimes they would turn on, sometimes they would turn off. It wouldn't work. We need an H11. I think an H11 is there's an H11 right here. Look at that. Same exact one. Alright. So we got an H11 for the fog light. So let's pop that in real quick. I don't know if this thing is it look good. We want to put it in, and then we're going to turn it on before we put it back inside the housing. I don't know, it's kind of easy. It's right there, so it really wouldn't matter what you do. But so we got the bulb in there. Let's turn it on real quick. You gotta turn the headlights on, then turn on the fog lights. Nope. That bulb is not on. All right, so we got a bag. Well, this bulb is no good either. Or it could be something else wrong with, oh, here you go. I was about to say maybe something wrong with the circuit or something. So I don't think I had it all the way in. All right, so we about to do some diagnostics up in here, Philly D garage. All right, so let's just pop this bad boy back in there before we mess it up. All right, so all you do is just twist it in just like that. Make sure it's in there, and that's that. That's how you change your fog light on your Nissan Armada. You're gonna pop these screws back in, put your liner back in there, and if you had a light in there like I did, make sure you take it out before you forget it in there. Get this back in there. Just like that. We're gonna put our screws back in there, and we're gonna move over to the headlight side. So I turned the wheel all the way out to the left so we could get in on this side. So now all we got to do is basically do the same thing that we did on the other side, which is take these screws out. I should have just changed these gloves. It's crazy. I made a video a while back about how when mechanics gloves get ripped up, we just won't go change them. We keep working. I lost a screw. Mother, oh man. All right, so we got those screws out, so we can pull this back. Just pop them out. All right, so remember the headlight is right here, so it should be up. Man, it's dusty in there. It should be right there. That guy right there. Just go in there, grab him. I know y'all can't see, but it's the same deal as the fog light. You just twist it out and it comes out. And you want to pop this connector off. Hold on. Let's see if I can get this guy out. It's a tab right there. Press it down. Comes off. Look in there. Make sure you don't see nothing in there. No corrosion. And what is this? It's a what? This is a 9006. So let me go see if I got a 9006 in there. I'm pretty sure I got a 9006 in there. So we got a 9006 and we got a 9000 H11. Look at that. Yeah, I'm right on the money with that one. Or thyroid disease, preeclampsia, or ulcerative colitis. It looks good. Wonder how many. It's an H10. It's H11. Alright, so we got an H, whatever, 9006. So let's throw this in there. Yeah, whenever I had some people might be thinking, was wondering why I got so many bubs. Well, whenever I had a car that was going to the junkyard from a customer or whatever, I even worked at a place where they always had cars going to a junkyard. So why not take the good fuses and the good bulbs and stuff out of the cars, right? Right. So we got the bulb in there. Let's go see if this bad boy turns on real quick, y'all. Turn on the headlights. Turn on the fog lights. Okay, so the headlight is not on. Oh, let me make sure this thing is plugged up. Up. Oh, I was looking at the garage like it was in the socket. So this is not on. So let me take this back out. Maybe this bulb is no good. Let me see. 2006. Should be the right bulb. This one was a 2006. 2006. See, some of these bulbs could be no good that I have. So we're about to find out. There we go. So we got a bulb that works, y'all. Another close one. We almost seen a diagnostics go down in Philly D's garage. You guys are lucky. So lucky. Well, I guess that's one way you could diag, right? Is check bulbs that work. And if the bulb comes on, and guess what? Your circuit, your power and ground is good. That simple. All right, so I'm gonna put that stuff back and I'm gonna let you guys go. So as you can see, we got a low beam again on the right side and the fog light again on the driver's side. So now you should be able to change your fog lights and your low beam on your Nissan Armada, and it's the same thing for the Nissan Titans also for the same year, which is like I believe 04 all the way up to like 2015. So this particularly is a 08, but like I said, they all the same for those years. So if you like the video, hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll check you on the next one.